Hey there, you're watching Awesome Fine, and in this video I'm gonna show you by installing a MiUi Nano on my device, and I own a Canvas Nitro a311. First of all, back up the data, the current ROM. You could back up your current ROM with cache and data or exclude them. Swipe to backup. Now I already created the backup for my device, so I'm gonna cancel this and skip to the next step. But you need to let it go through to 100. Don't cancel it. Okay, now you need to wipe the data. Advanced wipe and select 4 first options you see on the list, and then swipe to wipe. If you watched my previous video of installing Android 7.0, then you might notice the video is same. You gotta save some time, so I attached the old video till the wiping part. It's all the same now. Now the new part, we gotta press install and then select the ROM zip file to flash it. Now you're gonna get some error. It says updated process ended with error. Okay, we're gonna solve this. Now before solving this, you need to first go back and then wipe the data once more. First 4 options and then swipe to wipe. After wiping the data, go back and then from main menu press mount button and then deselect system. Go back and proceed the installation process. Select the Coolpad 9 point something and then swipe to confirm the flash. Now it will go through no problems. This ROM was originally meant for Coolpad F1, but it works fine on both a311 and a310. Only issue with a310 is screen rotation, but can be easily solved using some application found in Play Store. I don't know the name right now, but I'll link it in the description below. And what issues on a311? Nothing major actually, but auto brightness is not working on a311, and volume up button decreases the volume instead of increasing. But you could always swipe to increase the volume. You could live with them. But just for note, if you want totally perfect bugless ROM for your a311, then go for a MiUi 8. It is perfectly bugless. I use it for almost a year now. So this is it. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.